Not sure of how to go about your first international trip, or are you planning your first international trip, or maybe you need a refresher? This video has you covered. Hello, I am Shalom, your tour guide, and you are welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing on tips to make your journey smoother, including booking flights and essential documents you need, plus helpful tools and apps that will be needful for your trip. Okay, let's begin. Start by using Google Flights. Google Flights enables you to explore cheap flights to anywhere. Search destinations and track prices to find and book your next flight. You can compare airlines and adjust dates to suit your budget. Another great tool is Google Maps for navigating your destination. For communication, download WhatsApp. It's a free texting and calling app that works over Wi-Fi, saving you from hefty cellular fees. Next, before you travel, scan and store digital copies of important documents like your passport, visa, and health insurance. Also, carry printed copies as a backup in case something goes wrong. Research the specific entry requirements for your destination, such as check if your destination has travel restrictions and entry requirements, check the border status, COVID-19 testing requirements, quarantine requirements of your destination, and most importantly, arrive at the airport at least 3 hours before your scheduled departure time. Try to travel light with just a carry-on if possible. Pack essentials like clothes, medications, and toiletries in case of lost luggage. When it comes to finances, carry multiple payment methods. Have a travel credit card to avoid foreign transaction fees, and an ATM card for cash withdrawals at your destination. Immigration and arrival. Immigration procedures vary by country. Some may ask questions like your travel purpose and where you're staying. Be prepared. Keep a pen handy for documentation. Once you land, have a plan for transportation to your accommodation to avoid confusion and potential scams. That's it for this quick guide to international travel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting announcements. Happy travel!